Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by choosing the visual you will change. Click the chart so it's active. Once selected, open the Format pane using the paint roller icon. This is where color control lives. Make sure the visual type supports data colors, then expand the Data Colors section. You need this pane because Power BI does not let you change chart colors from the Fields pane. The Format Data Colors area is the only built-in path to set or map colors for series. Once in Data Colors, you see each series or data item listed. Pick a swatch to assign a static color directly. This is fast for fixed palettes. If you need dynamic coloring, click the FX button to open conditional formatting options. Choose Format by field value or rules and point to a color field or define thresholds. This lets values drive colors, which matters when you want consistent coloring across visuals or to highlight ranges automatically. Finish by verifying the colors across the report. Save your file and refresh visuals to ensure changes persist. If a custom theme or a report-level color palette overrides your choices, remove or edit that theme under View Themes. If conditional colors don't apply, make sure the chosen field contains valid values and that the visual type supports per series coloring. One key tip: when colors fail, disable themes or check that you use the FX conditional formatting on data colors. That's usually the fix.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.